For beginners, here's a 5-minute moral story. Title: The Kind-Hearted Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a beautiful forest, there lived a rabbit named Rosie. She was known for her kind and gentle nature. One day, as Rosie was hopping through the forest, she noticed a little bird trapped in a net. The bird was scared and helpless. Rosie immediately hopped over to the bird and asked, "Are you okay?" "Don't worry, I'll help you." With her sharp teeth, Rosie carefully chewed through the net, setting the bird free. The bird was overjoyed and chirped happily, thanking Rosie for her kindness. Word of Rosie's kind act spread throughout the forest, and all the animals admired her for her compassion. Rosie felt a warm and fuzzy feeling inside whenever she helped others. The moral of the story: kindness has the power to make a big difference in someone's life, no matter how small the act may seem. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!